What is up guys, I'm Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. So welcome back to another wine video. Welcome to your wine pronunciation video. Today we are looking at how to pronounce the name of a classic wine region of France that is located in the Loire Valley. Today we are looking at how to pronounce the name Anjou. So fairly straightforward to pronounce. First syllable is simply An. I guess it'd be okay if you want to pronounce it An, but if you really truly want to pronounce it the French way, it'd be An. And then the second syllable is simply Jou. Note that it's not Jew, but rather Jou. Anjou, Anjou. And that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Some of the top wines in Anjou, so those are located, the Anjou appellation is located around the city of Angers and it's named after it. One of the top appellations, including some delicious sparkling wines, are made around Saumur. Some delicious Sauvignon Blanc, some delicious Gamay red wines are made in Anjou. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to have a look around my YouTube channel if you like learning about wine, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We build this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board.